Hi guys, Rui here and I'm back with videos in English, and yes, I can explain to you how to install Google mobile services on your Huawei or on your Honor devices. But first, let me speak to my Portuguese speaking followers and explain to them why the hell am I speaking in English right now, okay? Olá a todos, penso que já perceberam que este é um vídeo completamente diferente daquilo que é habitual eu fazer aqui, mas o que se passa é que continuam os problemas na instalação dos serviços móveis da Google em equipamentos da Huawei e da Honor que não vêm com eles de origem por causa daquilo que os Estados Unidos decidiram. Ora, o que acontece é que apareceu, não direi que é um método novo, mas uma forma diferente de instalar tudo isto, e é uma forma muitíssimo mais simples e que poderá ajudar muita gente. Eu vou já a seguir um vídeo em português, vou publicá-lo ainda hoje, ou se demorar e tiver que ir trabalhar entretanto, só amanhã é que publicarei esse vídeo, mas esse vídeo está a caminho e vai também explicar em português como fazer tudo isto. Seja como for, se alguém estiver com pressa, pode, penso eu, perfeitamente seguir este vídeo em inglês. Eu quero sublinhar apenas uma coisa, é que em alguns equipamentos, quem fez, por exemplo, o upgrade do software, do sistema operativo, esse upgrade poderá ter invalidado este método. O que acontece é que terão que voltar atrás no sistema operativo e depois tentar instalar com este método. Este método funciona, mas é só até uma determinada versão do sistema operativo. Mas bom, eu vou explicar isso melhor no vídeo em português que irei publicar, portanto, para já ficamos por aqui, ok? Um abraço, até já. Okay, so back to you guys, and as I was saying, in this video I'll explain how to use a great little app called Googlefier to install Google mobile services on your Honor or on your Huawei devices. It's really simple, it has great results, but please bear in mind that your device might not be compatible with this method. And that might happen because, well, a couple of reasons. Number one, your device is too new. Okay? This method only works with devices that were launched by Huawei or Honor before April 2020. Right here, I have a Mate 40 Pro. It was just released this month, November. And actually in Portugal, where I'm at, it isn't even for sale yet. It will be in a few days. And the thing is, I've tried. It does not work with this device, okay? Because it is too new. Also, on this box, I have a P Smart 2021. It also doesn't work. It doesn't come with Google mobile services, but it's not compatible with this method. And that's because, well, all of the firmwares, all of the versions of the operating system, they're just too new. And this method needs an oldish version of the operating system. It can be Android 10, of course, Android 9, but it cannot be very, very new. That's the problem. And that brings me to reason number two why it might not work. And that happens because, well, you might have upgraded your system's firmware. You might have bought your device in 2019. You might have upgraded in, let's say, May or even March, I don't know. And that version that you have right now is not compatible. Anyway, it's really simple to check that out because while you are using this method and at the moment you open LZ Play app, a pop-up error appears. And if that error appears on your device, well, you're done. What you have to do is downgrade your device and then start from the beginning, okay? In this video, I will not explain how you can downgrade your device, but on the description, you'll find a link. And on the link, there is information about that. Anyway, in this particular case, my advice is, because this app is so easy to use, what I would do is just try it out. If it goes all the way, cool. If it stops at the LZ Play part, yeah, then you have to go back. But it's just, I don't know, in 5 minutes, you'll know what you have to do. So again, my advice is try this method. If it doesn't work, go back. Again, please bear in mind that in the description of this video, I will post a link for you to get the Googlefier app, and there you'll also see information about your device's, well, probable compatibility with this method. All right, and even information about downgrading your device. Please be sure to read that. That's what I would do. Okay, and one last thing. Please do consider subscribing this channel, because if there is a new method, if something big comes up, I'll be sure to post a video about it. So, what I would do if I were you is just subscribe this channel. And with that out of the way, now it's really the time for us to start. You don't need anything else. This method is really, really simple. All you need is your device, okay? Nothing else. Also, please do consider donating to the guy that made Googlefier, because he really deserves it. Also, I guess most of you will be using a phone. I will be using a tablet, but it's exactly the same thing, all right? I'll see you in a, well, okay, so here we go. And to start things off, we have to go into our browser and to type this URL, and it's bit.ly/ and this is the hard part, okay, 3L1C capital B 4 and O. 3L1C capital B 4 O. Tap on OK. And this takes you to the Googlefier page in XDA Developers. This Googlefier was done by Bender007. And well, this guy reached out to me a few months ago to show me what he was doing. I cheered him on, but really I didn't have the time to help him out as he wanted. And when I mean help is of course just to beta test, not do anything, because he's the guy that really understands how this works. So the thing is, what I want to tell you is, please do donate, because this guy deserves it, and deserves it a lot. What we must do here is download, and tap on download. Tap on Googlefier, download, and wait for the download to be complete. You can tap here and just wait it out. Okay, so now tap on Allow. It will install Googlefier. And tap on Open. It's a welcome page. Then it says it's really easy to use, and it is. This guy's done a great job. You can do it all from this app, and I mean installing Google mobile services on your device, all from this one app, and it's informative. What it means is that it keeps explaining to you what you are doing and why you are doing such a move, okay? Tap on Next and it will show again a PayPal support page. Please do donate to this guy. Okay, this is the first part. Tap on Allow and tap on Allow again. Now, what we're about to do, this is a welcome page. What we're about to do is just, uninstall the backup, installs. Well, what we're about to do, it would be complicated through the previous methods, and it's real simple on this one. Just tap on backup. It says that the date is wrong because it's set automatically. Let's go, tap on OK. Unselect this automatic date and time. Choose a date to 2019 as it's required on the Googlefier app. Tap on OK. Go back. Tap again on backup. Now tap on OK. We are about to uninstall the backup that is installed already on the device. Tap on Don't Ask Me Again, tap on Allow. Now we're about to install a different backup. Install. This is really simple. Tap on Done. And now we're about to restore a backup. Agree. And here, tap on these three dots. It was explained before. I just didn't read it out loud, but it was explained before. Restore from internal storage. Tap on this one. Wait a while. Tap on Restore. And the password is Bender 007 or 007. Bender. It's right there, okay? Bender 007, okay? It's restoring, it is done, and now you can go back and back again. And this is the next phase, okay? Okay, we're here, but what I want you to do right now is just close everything and tap on this G purple icon, okay? Tap on it. Wait a second or two, tap on Activate and Allow. If you see an error message popping up and it doesn't let you continue, well, you're in bad luck. That means you have upgraded your firmware and, well, this doesn't work with your updated firmware. What you have to do is just find an older firmware for your device and install that one. That's much easier said than done, okay? It will be hard for you, all right? Or well, it might be hard for you. But that's what you must do. You have to find an older version of your firmware, install it, and try this method again, okay? And now back to us. If you're seeing this, please do tap on the blue button and send this away. Then go into Googlefier. It is preparing the app. Okay. Again, you get the welcome message and it's saying that you'll see this welcome message every time. What happened is that we installed this LZ Play app. It's the purple G icon app, and well, it's telling you what to do when you open. We've already done that, so it's done. We're okay. Tap on OK and tap on the first icon, the 1. Let's go. You'll need to set the date to automatic again. So tap on OK, tap on Set to Automatic, and then go back. And now it should be all right. After this installation, a Google login window will pop up. Press Sign In. Okay. Install. Okay, you have two choices here, but choose Done, because it will appear that sign-in message that we've just talked about. Sign in. Sometimes this crashes. It did, but it came back. So sign in again. And now we're okay. Here, you have to type in your, tap on OK here. You have to type in your email. That's what I'll do right now. And now it's time for the password. Of course, this part I will not show to you, but you have to tap on Next afterwards, all right? So as I was saying, you have to tap on Next. And we're here. Tap on I agree. And we're through to the next phase, to number 2. This number 2 is where, if you want to, you can add more Google accounts to your device. I'll just show it to you, but if you don't need to, just tap on the, well, just wait a while, okay? If you want to add more accounts, tap on the second one, Sign In. And again, type in your other email account. Now is the time for the password. Okay, once that is done, tap on Next. and we're through. Tap on I agree. Okay, and once you've added all your accounts, continue to step number 3. Let's go. Tap on install. Done. Install. Done. Install. Done. Install. Done. Install. Done. Install. And done. Okay. Another pop-up window appears. Google Play Services settings will pop up. Press stop and uninstall. After that, the app will start a second installation. Confirm, and after it's installed, open and close the Play Store a couple of times. Also, check the sync items in accounts. After that, continue with button 3. Alright. Actually, what happens is this. I don't know why the instructions are not that clear on this part, but force it to stop, maybe on a new version of this Googlefier. Uninstall, uninstall, and, well, after this isn't tried, again the Play Store. Now, install, and it's done. Now, send this away. Let's go into the Play Store to see if it works. It doesn't, and errors, notification errors have popped up. That's all right. You can hit retry, and actually in my case, the Play Store has appeared, but the errors keep popping up. So we'll have to continue. If you remember correctly, Googlefier asked us to open the Play Store a few times and to scroll through it. That's what we'll do. Because the guy who has done it knows this quite well. Again, one more. Now let's check out some games. Yeah. Among Us is there, of course. All right, close it again. He also asked us to check out users and accounts. Tap on Google. I've installed these two. Tap on them. Sync them. Activate the sync. Go back. This one. Also. Sync now. Get some sync errors, but that's all right. Okay. Now, we are going to Googlefier again and tap on this item number 3. After this installation, try again the Play Store, open and close it a couple of times, just like the last message instructed. Try installing something, then proceed to button 3. Okay, install. Done. Let's go into the Play Store as instructed. Search for, I don't know, something light. Yeah, Gmail. Install. Waiting to download. It is downloading. Okay. Send this away. Gmail is over there. Let's go again into Googlefier and tap again on number 3 as instructed. Google Play Services settings will open, press stop and then uninstall. After that, another installation will automatically start. Okay, so tap on OK. Force stop, again, force stop, now it's stopped, and tap on uninstall. Okay. After this installation, try opening and closing the Play Store a couple of times, try installing. Well, yeah, that was an old message. Install. So this one was automatic, as you've seen. Okay, tap on done. Take this out of the way. Go again into Play Store. The message said we should install something else. Let's try YouTube. YouTube. Install. All right. It's coming in. And we're done. If it suggests that you should install a software update, again, say later, because this is a bad idea. All right. This is a bad idea, unfortunately. Afterwards, after all of this is done, you can update your software, but not before this is done, okay? Disagree. Okay, tap on Googlefier, and let's go into 3. And it's not a hint, it's really an instruction. It should be said there. It should be saying instruction over there. But Google Services Framework settings will open. Press stop until it's grayed out. Then tap on data and clear both the cache and the data and restart. Don't mind the other applications. After the reboot, open and close the Play Store a couple of times and press button 3. Okay. So, force stop. It's grayed out. You might have to do this a few times, okay? But it's grayed out, so it's okay. Go into storage, clear data, okay? Go back, and then just restart the device. Restart. Okay. So, once it has restarted, what it was asking us was to go into the Play Store. Let's check it out. In my case, it is working, but you might have to wait a while, or you might have to go and open the Play Store quite some times, okay? If I remember correctly, it was saying like 3 times should do the trick. But anyway, in my device, it was at the first try. And just do it a few times. Browse a while. Okay. Close and go again into Googlefier. It's reopening and preparing the app. It has identified where we are standing right now, and so let's just proceed. Again, number 3. Google Play Services settings will pop up. Press stop and then uninstall. A new installation will automatically start after that. Okay. Here it is. Force stop, uninstall. Okay. After this is installed, restart the phone. Don't mind the other. If Play Store still works, that's it. If you can you can upgrade the Google services. Please remember to report if this works. On help button there is a poll with only 2 options. Donation is welcome and appreciated. Okay, but again, what will happen here? It will install Google Play services, and if there are no problems, it will have worked after the restart, of course. Okay? Install. This is a tricky part. Done. Just restart. Okay, so here we are. For now, no pop-ups, no notification errors. Let's check the Play Store. It is working, and no notification errors are popping up. What about Google Contacts? Install. It is installing and without any errors. So that's it. This is it for me. Of course, you can uninstall. Well, this Google accounts, you should just throw it into Tools. This, oh, sorry. This app, you cannot uninstall it from here. I don't know about Googlefier. You can, but I don't want to uninstall it right now. I'll just leave it here. But to uninstall that gPurple app, go to Settings, find Apps, Apps again, and at the bottom you'll see it, and tap on Uninstall. Deactivate and uninstall. Okay. Okay, that is gone. And why didn't I want to uninstall Googlefier? Because it did go very well for me, but to you guys it might not be. Oh, it doesn't appear. It doesn't show. Well, maybe you've noticed there were some repair icons. If it still doesn't work for you, after all this is done, you have to tap on that repair gear icon. I'm not sure how it looked. Yeah, but you should tap on that and follow the instructions. Unfortunately, I cannot show them to you. But again, they will be not very different from what you've just seen. Okay, you just have to follow those hints, those instructions, and do them properly. All right, that's just it. So again, this works like a charm. Tap on info. A lot of time was invested. He says a lot of time was invested in Googlefier, and I know it was. You really did work on this for a long time. He kept contacting me for some months, so he did work on this and it looks very good. He always talked about the design, but I agree with him. The important thing is that it works. So yeah, that's it. Here you can report if Googlefier managed to install Google mobile services on your device. It automatically sends the device model and MUI version so that we can see which devices actually works. Please tap on this and he will know. All right, this is important. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this one. Hello again, and I hope you agree with me that this was a super simple method. I really love it. And my bet is that most people won't even need to do the repair part. But that's just my bet. Because I'm saying this because on this device, I had some troubles doing it with older methods, and this was a breeze. Anyway, what I want to say to you also is that now you can upgrade your device. I mean your device's firmware, all right? You can because the guy that does the Googlefier app says that even if you need to do this procedure all over again for some reason, you'll be able to. So that's great news also. Time for me to go. My name is Rui. Thank you very much for watching. Please do consider donating to the guy that did the app, and also consider subscribing to this channel because, again, if something new appears, if something big, if there is a way to install Google mobile services on devices, well, like this one, the Mate 40 Pro, I'll be sure to post them here, all right? Thank you very much. Cheers. Oh, and I hope you're safe. I hope you're wearing your masks, and I hope you're doing and acting wisely. And now it's bye-bye time. Cheers.